how to earn and redeem Sam's Cash with Sam's Club Mastercard. So if you also want to save more with your Sam's Club Mastercard, here's what you can do. So earning Sam's Cash will get you 5% back on gas and 3% back on dining and takeout and 1% back everywhere else you shop. Plus, combine it with your Sam's Club membership rewards for even more Sam's Cash. And if you are looking to ways for redeeming your Sam's Cash, you can just use it at checkout in store or online at Sam's Club, or redeem for travel, dining, or gift cards inside the Sam's Club app or website, and or choose cashback deposit to your account or request a club register. And a quick tip for you, that is to check your balance anytime in the Sam's Club app under Sam's Cash. And that is it. You can earn on everyday spending and redeem easily with your Sam's Club Mastercard. So I hope this video was informational, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.